This is Mr. Cronin, and let's review the 8 on a hand skill for percussion. 8 on a hand is one of the most important drills that you will ever do as a percussionist. If you play percussion from now through the rest of your life, 8 on a hand is a skill that will be useful to you every single day that you drum for the rest of your life. Okay, so it goes like this: 8 right hands. I'm making sure that I have my fulcrum grip, my back 3 lightly touch. My wrists are going to be flat for this entire exercise, and I'm using a piston stroke that goes straight up, straight down, throwing that stick up hard and throwing it down hard. Throw up, throw down, okay? And you really want to get some snap and pop to that. Make sure our grip is good, bisecting our hand at the bony protrusion at the bottom of our wrist. Okay, so this is 8 on a hand. It goes 8 rights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lefts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lefts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go to groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now twos. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm making sure to watch my grip. I'm watching that it's opening and closing and that my stick is traveling in a straight line, straight up and down. Okay, we've done our twos, then we alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we alternate double speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Okay, so let's put this to music and practice 8 on a hand. Here we go. All right, getting ready with me? We're going to make sure we count all of the stickings. Here we go. 5, 6, 8 right hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now switch to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now switch to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now switch to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our 8s are done. Let's go to the left, to the 4s. 2, 3, 4. Now switch. 2, 3, 4. Our 4s are coming to an end. Now we switch to 2s. Here we go. Ready? Now 2s. 1, 2, 1, 2. Are your wrists flat? Now we're going to alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now double speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Okay? That's our 8 on a hand skill. Be sure that you're watching your grip. Be sure that that stick is at a nice, almost straight angle to your arm. Not straight, definitely not off at a right angle, okay? Make sure our grip is bisecting our hand and that we are getting nice, flat wrists and an open, closed piston stroke as we play, okay? Enjoy 8 on a hand, guys.